Hello students, welcome to Vision tutorial. Hope you all are doing well. In the previous video we have already discussed about international number system, Roman number system, the symbols used in Roman number system and 4 rules for the Roman numerals. Today we are going to discuss problems given in your problem set 1 of your chapter number 1 Roman numerals. So let us start with question number 1. It says write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Before we start with the solution of this question, let me tell you it is really very important to remember those 7 symbols of Roman number system and the 4 rules which we have already discussed in the previous video. So if you have missed out those details, I have given the link in the description. Just click on that and you will be able to see them. Okay, so let's start with the solution. As we already know, I stands for 1, 2 times I stands for 2, 3 times I stands for 3. As we don't know what is the symbol of 4 and repetition of I more than 3 is not allowed, but we already know the symbol of 5 and we know the rule that says if I is written on the left side of V or X, okay, so their difference will give the value of that number. That means our 1 will get subtracted from 5, that is I will get subtracted from V and would be equal to 4. Here 5, we already know the symbol of 5 is V. For the 6, okay, try to recall the rule that says if I is written on the right side of V or X, this sum will give you the value for that number. Means in this case we will add V and I, that is 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. V plus 2 times I, that is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. V plus 3 times I, that is 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So V triple I stands for 8. Again, the repetition after 3 times is not allowed. We can't write it like this. Instead, we know the symbol of 10, that is X. And we know the rule. So we will write I before X, so that their difference would give you 9. And X stands for 10. Come to 11. 11 means we need to add 1 in 10. So for addition, we write I on the right side of the X. So here xi will give you 11. X2 times I will give you 12. That is 10 plus 2, 12. X3 times I, 10 plus 3 will give you 13. X and IV, we have seen the symbol of IV which is equals to 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. XV, 10 plus 5, 15. XVI, 10 plus 6 equals to 16. XV 2 times I, that is 10 plus 7 will give you 17. XV triple I, 10 plus 8 will give you 18. X plus IX, that is 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. 2 times X, that is 10 plus 10 will give you 20. So this was your question number 1. Let's move to the question number 2. It says write the following numbers using international numerals. Okay, let's see. V stands for 5. V and 2 times I, that is 5 plus 2 is your 7. Next X. X is standard symbol and we know X stands for 10. Next X plus 3I, that is 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 will give you 13. XIV, 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4, that is 14. XVI again 10 plus 6, 16. XV triple I, 10 plus 8, 18. IX, that is your 9. Let's move to our next question. Question number 3. It says fill in the empty box. Here what we will do, For some numbers, we need to write the symbols in Roman numerals, and for some symbols, we need to write the number in words. Okay, so let's start. The first question is 3. 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, it's 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is I, and I. 3 times I will give you 3. Second one, symbol is given V, 3 times I, that is 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, 6. 6 means 5 plus 1, that is VI. For next symbol is given X and 2 times I, that is 10 plus 2 equals to 12. Next, 15. 15 means 10 plus 5 equals to XV. For the last, XIX, that is 10 plus 9, which is equals to 19. Question number 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. First question is 9. 9 means 1 less than 10. So I should be on the left side. Again, IX. 2. 2 means 2 times I. 17. That is 10 plus 7. Means X plus V double I. V double I stands for 7. 4. 4 means 1 less than 5. That is I should be on the left side of V. So IV. 11 means sum of 10 and 1. So I will come on the right side. So XI stands for 11. 18. 18 means 10 plus 8. So here X and V triple I. X stands for 10 and V triple I stands for 8. You will be thinking that why I am repeating the steps again and again, that 5 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 10 plus 7, here 10 plus 8. Because what happens when you repeat anything or any formula again and again, your brain keeps recording those things. So the repetitions will help you to remember the steps. Okay. And here is the last question of your chapter. That is question number 5. It says in the table below, each given number is written in international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, then put a tick mark in the box under it. If not, put a cross and correct it. So we need to check whether these Roman numerals are correct or not. So for 4, it is given 4 times I, but we already know the rules. It says repetition of I more than 3 times is not allowed. Means it is incorrect. And 4 is 1 less than 5, that is I will come on the left side, then V. So the difference between them will give you 4. 6, 6 is correct. 5 plus 1 is 6. Correct. 8. See, we have already seen the rules. So for 8, it is given 2 times I and X. But we know repetition of I more than 1 times on the left side is not allowed. That is why it is incorrect. So what is 8? 8 is 5 plus 3. Means V and triple I. Next, 16. 16, what is 16? 10 plus 6. So 10 plus 6. Yeah, it is correct. 15 is written as V. But we already know repetition of V is not allowed. So this is your incorrect. Instead, what we can write? X and V. X is your 10, V is your 5. So X and V will give you 15. In this way, your chapter number 1 is over now. If you are still having any doubt regarding this lesson, you can put your questions in the comment sections. I'll be ready to help you. And if you find the video helpful for your homework and concept understanding, then please like and do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.